Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. Gigablue raised $20 million Series A to scale marine carbon removal. Co-reactive secured $7.7 million seed funding to scale CO₂-negative construction materials. Carbonaide raised €3.7 million for accelerating growth in storing CO₂ permanently and decarbonizing the built environment. Miombo Restoration Alliance planned $1 billion investment in 4 African projects to restore 675,000 hectares of woodlands and remove 50 million tons of CO₂. Forge Minerals raised £1 million pre-seed and opened its first lab in Edinburgh for mineralization tech. CEEZER and Swisscom partnered to accelerate CDR deployment in Switzerland for 2030 climate goals. Wild Assets invested in Rewind's biomass storage CO₂ credits via Deep Mine Storage Project. Holcim invested in Capsol to scale carbon capture for near-zero cement. German DVNE members, Ucaneo, Phlair, NeoCarbon, MVV, received federal funding for DAC, CO₂ utilization, and negative emissions projects. Carbon Neutral Fuels partnered with the Carbon Removers to build UK sustainable aviation fuel infrastructure. HackHPI announced Kula Technologies as the main partner for its 2026 hackathon, highlighting digital carbon removal innovation. Puro.earth launched premium service to speed verified carbon removal credit issuance. Mast Reforestation delivered and sold 80% of biomass burial CDR credits from Mast Wood Preserve MT1 in Montana. Nelly Technologies achieved initial Puro.earth certification from Windy Cross CDR site, South Wales. Novik Tech acquired 90% of Karelia Peti Limited to scale biochar CDR in Australia. Negative Emissions Platform published discussion paper on how EU can support CDR growth by 2030. FLS and Heike collaborated on biomass carbon removal projects in Paraguay. Cura and Acon partnered to test electrochemical low-carbon cement. South Africa issued first Verra CCB-labeled grassland carbon credits globally. Land and Carbon Lab, WRI, and partners launched Learn Tool to track U.S. forest tree carbon emissions and removals for community climate planning. GHG Protocol released Land Sector and Removal Standard, which is first global framework for corporate accounting of land-based emissions and removals. Carbon Removal Standards Initiative launched CQIP database linking carbon removal projects, policies, and measurement resources. Carbon Drawdown Initiative reported low-cost EC and soil monitoring can cut MRV costs for enhanced rock weathering. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.